Let us look at fact 4 now. So fact 4 says a country's relative position in the world distribution of per capita income is not immutable. That means it is not fixed. You can change it, right? It is changed, right? Countries can move from being poor to being rich and vice versa. So you can go ahead and you can see countries that who are poor, they can go ahead and they can become rich, and those countries which are rich can become poor. One such example of a country which has become rich is the East Asian miracle countries, the growth miracle countries, because they invested a lot of their money in human resources, in education, in health. They became very rich countries. Similarly, the other example where a country became from the richest to an average country is the example of Argentina. When we talk about the end of 19th century, it was the richest country in the world. By the end of 19th century, Argentina was richest country in the world. It had a lot of natural resources, right? And there was a lot of development that was taking place. Its infrastructure was very good. And because of good amount of natural resources and because of good tourism, it was attracting a lot of people from outside also. And because it had a lot of infrastructural developments and it had a good industrial base also, there was immigration and investment also that was taking place. But when we talk about 2008, then Argentina's per capita income was very low and it was only 1/3 of the per capita income of US. So from a country which was very rich on the top of the world to a country where its per capita income was 1/3 of US, we saw that this is a reverse example where countries become from rich to an average country. Okay. So this shows that the position of countries is not fixed. ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर आज poor हैं तो poor ही रहेंगे या आज rich है तो rich ही रहेंगे. Countries can shift from being poor to rich and vice versa. So that is the fourth fact, beta. Okay.